This is the BTAS copper anti-seize lubricant, a high-temp metal protecting grease designed to prevent seizing, rust, and galling on your vehicle's critical parts. I am going to apply some BTAS copper anti-seize lubricant to the threads. Because brakes can get hot, I don't want to risk having these guide pins seize, causing me a real headache in the future. So this is a great compound available on Amazon. You should use it not only on your caliper guide pins, but I'm also going to apply it to the bolts. Always like to add a little BTAS anti-seize copper lubricant to all of the threads before I put all those lug nuts on. So once I grease those up really good, it'll be safe to get the wheel off in the future. I can still set torque to about 120 foot-pounds. BTAS copper anti-seize works up to about 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's ideal for high temperature areas like brakes, exhaust. These are just a couple of the examples. If you're maintaining your vehicle, this belongs in your garage. It's available now on Amazon. Check it out.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.